Run Terrain Builder plugin from extension menu. For this example, we run full project. Full setup will be uploaded and we can edit them. Open Download Manager, but first you must save the project. Okay, now all ready for upload textures. Open Download Manager again, and you will see new user interface with new features. First of all, let's select location on MapBox resource. Now copy link from your browser and paste it into Terrain Builder's special field. For fast preview in this tutorial, let's load 2K maps. To save your time, the process is accelerated. Okay, the location suits us. Let's load the texture displacement. To do this, select the desired option. Since there is already a color texture for this location, it will not be downloaded again. Great! We got a great terrain. We can slightly increase the poly count. Excellent! Terrain setup is complete. You may notice that the downloaded textures now have coordinate data in their name. This new science allows you to easily find already downloaded locations in any service. Let's download another region, for example. But now we will use Google Maps. But always remember that textures will be downloaded from the MapBox. Copy the link and put it in the same field. Download another set of textures for the new region in 2K resolution. Great, now we have got another region. All texture sets will be stored in a special folder next to the project. And you can switch between them absolutely easily. We have uploaded the previous region, and we can easily find it on the maps and continue working. Just click on the button to get the coordinates from the texture. The link will be generated, and now you can find it in the MapBox or Google Maps in one click. This system is very convenient if you have to deal with a lot of data at a variety of locations. For the plugin to work correctly, please do not rename the texture files. A button has also been added to the plugin to quickly switch to MyMaps. This service allows you to set and transmit routes to the terrain builder as correctly as possible. But how do we find our location now? Very simple. Just click the Copy to Clipboard coordinates from the link. Now paste these coordinates from the clipboard into the search bar. The location has been found. Now you can use the Google Maps toolkit to build a route. Specify points A and B. The route will be set automatically, but you can use any number of points. Good. Now in the Export menu, specify Export to KML/KMZ. For convenience, we will specify the folder next to the project. Good. Now let's use the built-in KML to GPX converter, because that's what the plugin uses. Find the downloaded file and save it in GPX format. Now let's download the resulting GPX file. Now all GPS tracks will be automatically placed under a special Null facility for better management. Please note that the track is automatically placed in the Route 1 slot. To adjust all the tracks according to the display, we will adjust the necessary parameters. Good. We got the necessary animation of the path along with the icon. Good. We got the necessary animation of the path along with the icon. Sometimes the GPS track may go wrong, but it's accurate enough. We can always adjust it a bit. Select a track, select all the points, and move a little bit along the position of all of them. Great! Now the track lies perfectly on our torrent. You can import and use up to 10 GPX tracks, which will be automatically placed in the slots. For example, let's create another path using Cinema 4D tools. Let's go to the top view and draw a spline. Now just put the resulting spline into the spline route null object. The logic here is the same as with GPX track. As you can see, the spline does not lie well enough on the terrain. It's very easy to fix. You just need to add enough dots on it. Switch the interpolation mode to subdivided. Now the spline fits perfectly on the terrain. For your convenience, both spline route and GPX route have the same settings. For example, let's create another spline and change its interpolation. We see that the second spline fits into the second slot. Keep in mind that the order of the paths is very important here. If it's convenient for you, you can set a route manually in Google Maps. The principle is the same as with KML data. You can also try to generate a path directly from the Google Maps link. But remember that this option will not always work correctly. It works best on 2 points. We got a path that goes slightly beyond the downloaded area. A little advice: always keep track of the path names and their order. Also, all the objects you create must be placed under special null objects to attach to the terrain. If you have your own null objects, then also put them under a special null object. All this will allow you to keep order in the project and connect your objects with the TB setup.